Hello, this is TelecomTV. I'm Martin Warwick. We're here at the TM Forum's Digital Transformation World, and I'm talking with Wojciech Dziunkowski of Comarch. Wojciech, thanks for talking to us. As you know, the industry is full of buzzwords, and there's a lot applying to the disruptive technology we're seeing in play at the moment: artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, NFV, SDN, and so on. What do you make of this continuing evolution of the disruptive technologies? Tell us about where Comarch fits into that.
In my opinion, it is a really big changer for the whole industry because at the moment we have the access to computing power which was unavailable in the past, and it was available only for research institutes. And at the moment we are in the beginning of the era of democratization of big data, of AI, machine learning. We are still far away from the replacement of human beings with machines, but definitely we are going in the direction where machines will help people to perform the everyday job.
So where does Comarch position itself in this continuum, disruptive technologies again?
We have already embedded AI in our portfolio, and in assurance domain, which I'm responsible for as a part of OSS domain, we are focusing on the predictive maintenance and efficient root cause and impact analysis. However, because Comarch is delivering solutions also for other industries, we are using AI for our healthcare solutions to predict diseases on the basis of the image recognition. We are also using machine learning algorithms for social mining, for generation of the analysis of fraud detection in the finance sector. So there is plenty of different applications of AI for different industries, and we are utilizing the knowledge of different people to speed up the process of implementing this in our portfolio.
Wojciech, you're responsible for the assurance and analytics domain at Comarch. So obviously the notion of intelligent assurance is well known to you. But the question is, what's in it for the operator community? What will they get? How will they benefit from implementing the Comarch approach?
Definitely, operator needs to look into machine learning and AI because ever-growing complexity of the network is overwhelming and is blocking the growth of the business on top of telecommunication industry. So digital economy is relying very strongly on telecommunication networks, and operators need to cope with the increasing requirements for bandwidth, for low latency network, for coverage, and it results in the growing complexity of the network. And the current human labor will have difficulties in maintaining and keeping this network running in a smooth way. So machine learning becomes a solution for being as efficient as possible with existing human labor. Machine learning will be a kind of assistant for humans to increase the efficiency.
Now that once futuristic technologies like NFV are now actually being implemented for real, what's next? What I'm asking is a hybrid network the final step, do you think, along the evolutionary road to something as yet unknown but even more sophisticated? Or do you think there could be something beyond an AI and NFV world?
Well, it's a very hard question, and I doubt if anybody can answer that question in a very detailed way. Well, I think we are at the era of geographical discoveries, similar era to geographical discoveries or space conquest. And we are heading a lot of undiscovered areas in the domain of virtualization, area of practical application of AI in the industry. And every day is bringing new challenges and new possibilities, and we just need to have open eyes and find the proper solution for the existing problems.
Recently, Comarch joined ONAP. Why did you do that? What are your goals, and how does membership of the organization help you to reach them?
We have joined ONAP because this is an industry-leading organization, and in the same way like TM Forum is leading standards. And now ONAP is becoming a de facto reference architecture with a focus for practical implementation of the concepts which are discussed in different industry fora. and we are contributing to that area. Our OSS portfolio is very aligned with ONAP concepts, and therefore we want to participate in this initiative to exchange the knowledge with the biggest players who are also members of this initiative, like AT&T, like Amdocs, like Orange, who is our customer. And we want to be aligned with this concept, with our solutions.
And a final question to you, word about standards. What's your attitude to open source platforms? Do you think they can actually drive innovation across the entire global industry?
Open source is definitely changing the way how the software industry is working. We have observed the disruption done by Linux in OS industry. Now we believe that ONAP may perform the same change in OSS industry. And we are definitely devoted to open source. We are using open source software in our portfolio. And now we are strongly contributing to OSS, to open source industry in OSS domain.
Wojciech Dziunkowski, thanks very much indeed.
Thank you very much.